Hi guys, so first time namin dito sa Canada car wash ng yung self wash ng car. Saka malapit lang sa apartment namin. Ito yung dating what do you call that? Meron silang, wala silang ganito dati. Kumbaga ni-renovate lang siya. So ayun. Ayan. Kasi sa Texas, we always wash our own talaga car. Meron din self car wash, yeah. So andun lang yung apartment namin. Wait, over there. Somewhere there. So ayan. So we gonna do foaming now. And a brush now. La daddy, hurry up. You wanna try, baby?
No.
Yeah, so high. Ayan.
I want to try. I'm fast at it.
Later, sweetie. Dapo me. Bilangin. So first time nakakita ni Kaya ng
I'm gonna
ganito.
be like overreacting, like.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be like, oh, it looks so satisfying.
Yeah. I know.
The light is like.
Kasi maganda talaga pag self what do you call that, car wash.
We have
Malilinis mo
a shark,
talaga ng maayos
we
yung
have
car.
a shark fin on top.
So our time remaining is 11.
Very natural.
At I think it's mas mura siya. Meron siyang triple foaming. Ayan. Saka ito yung niya. Simple lang siya, guys. Everything is top lang. See, you gotta pay here. Meron coins. And then you can use your visa. Interrupt. See, ayan. Kilani.
We have so much time.
Yeah, we don't have so much. Only 10 minutes left. We still have lots of bugs. 10 minutes, see? Up there.
Is it fun for you? Does it feel weird?
Feel weird.
Is it like soap? Is it just soap?
Gusto. Yep.
For cars? Ooh.
Mhm.
Almost stepped on that. Ugh. Drippy soap.
Ilang months din to nagsara kasi
What does it feel like?
ni-renovate. Yung pala gagawin pala nila ng self car wash.
Why does it smell like this?
Why do you have to smell it?
Like the other car wash we
Well,
had?
we're gonna do the triple foam conditioning. We'll see if it's This is how it smell. That thing is go around, sweetie. If you go on the other side, it's gonna go around too. Yeah.
It's like a long wire.
You don't.
Weird. It smells weird.
It's okay, love is gonna follow you, remember?
Oh, so beautiful.
Get up.
Yay, yay.
Kasi yung kasi travel kami ng travel, so matagal din kami hindi nakakapag car wash, guys. Kailangan namin ng car wash na to. So, I think since we get back from what I call this, Jamaica. Ay, watch. Hey, get out there. Look at the car. Yun. Medyo matagal.
Hello, Daddy.
Lagi kaming out of the country.
I'm looking horrible.
Maybe. Yeah, we have a lot of time. 8 minutes. Lots of time. So we're gonna do this foaming. I like this. Perfect lang. We're gonna have fun. I'll let Kilani do this. Just the side, kasi on top you gotta. You can reach that. I can even reach it. Talaga pag
Cloudy.
Are you gonna do the another foam one? No. Oh, Daddy do it.
Wait, oh no, I don't have a...
Yeah.
7 minutes only.
It's okay. There's a lot of time.
No, it's not.
No, so that is almost done. He's gonna wash. Gonna be that is gonna rinse it. After they rinse it, you can just do a full one.
And then rinse it again.
Yeah.
What's your phone?
So guys, mahilig, di ba mahilig ako sa ano, mahilig kami mag-asawa sa Michael Kors. So ayan o. Michael Kors car or collection. Hi, Daddy. Forward.
I'm following Daddy.
Okay, Daddy's gonna rinse now. After.
Hey,
Marbles, yeah, we can order it for ano in advance. Basta,
oh no, my master's one. Oh yeah.
it smells good already, guys. Ilani, can you please stand up? Maybe we just sit inside. May music. For the combs. Ooh. What do you want? I think just vanilla. Oh, cheesecake. Ilani, what are you gonna have? I'm gonna have cheesecake. I mean music, guys. So I'm gonna have cheesecake, guys, and a small cone. What we're gonna do? I think that's it. I guess I don't know. Yeah, just plain. Yeah.
I just want a cup.
You want a cup, small cup, okay? Yeah, Kilani's gonna have Nutella and with sour gummies. Good luck. So am I small? Hoy, Kilani, come here. Kilani, just ask. No, she can have that sour gummies one piece. Yeah. What are you gonna have, Daddy? Just one.
Anything else in yours?
You like that? Oh, get spoon.
Hey, there's two in each.
Just one.
I thought there were two in each.
Right. You can order
Hey,
cake on one.
Minion! Let's go to the middle. I'm sitting.
You sit here?
Yeah.
You don't want to sit outside?
Oh,
Hot.
it's gonna melt right away.
It's too hot outside, guys, grabe.
That's so hot. Puppy dog.
Give me the burnt. Give me the burnt one. Where are you going? Oh, selfie station. Or
I know
spike.
that shade beside me.
Eat.
Oh, it's hard. Gee, this thing's not even moving.
Ice cream first. She's so dark na, guys. Kasi lagi kami nabibit.
I love it so much. Kind of like Nutella and chocolate thing. Oh no, I can't get those gummy bears.
The next day.
It's beautiful here, guys. We're here at East Park. So meron dito sa Filipino-Canadian Association. Oh, what? You wanna move? Yeah, the popcorn? Oh yeah.
Kilani, look at the big bag.
There's two of them.
Yeah, it's beautiful here, guys. Malaki siya. So it's like also they have the other side they have a golf course and all the splash pads and everything. Yeah. So the parking's right there, up there. What, baby? Here comes the lechon, guys. So yung ibang food nandun na eh. Kanina hindi ko na nakunan. And then just started for game na. Oh. May music. So can't really get a video. The lechon is coming. Coming out. Siri, watch the lechon. Hey, look at the lechon. Over there, oh. There's the lechon. Oh. I know, right? Ilan yung frog to. Tingnan mo yung popcorn pala, guys. Oh. Ang daming popcorn. Ouch. Another one guys, oh. Dalawa yung lechon. Dalawa yung lechon namin. Charot. You're the put. You wanna see the put?
No.
Come on, go ahead.
No.
Go! You take a picture over there.
No,
A picture. That's the near
Yes.
flatbread. Guys, nandito pala kami sa
I took some
buildable. Yeah.
Wait, this is
kailangan
the one
sa
we have at
cheese.
home.
Eating mo yung food. Ito sa akin.
We have
Pretty,
this house.
pretty something. Ano ba? We have one at home. How is it? Good. Planning eat your pizza. Stop.
Mine. Looks like
Look
a
how
ripped
cheesy
sheet of
that is,
paper.
guys. Fix your hair. That's it, guys. Walang kung may rice siya sa ano. Ha?
Raw tuna.
Oo. That's fine. It's with season anyway, love. Yeah, close yun, sweet. Actually, we're eating outside right now, guys. Kasi magandang panahon. Ano ba yan? Ang hirap pala. Sorry.
How? I'll just close it.
Put your drinks on top, sweetie.
No, not bad.
Ayaw mo kasi maniwala sa akin, bahala.
No.
No, no. Open yung.
Oh, okay. Wait, the other side.
Just put it now, sweetie.
It's gonna fling.
There you go.
Be careful.
Wait na.
It's gonna
Ang sarap ng sauce. Yummy. Sour. Sour? It's really good, guys. May nahalo ko na siya. Kasawa ko. Sarap, baby. Born cheese.
Try?
No, I'm good. I'm really good. Daddy, wanna try this? I love. Wanna try? No. It's not your. It's not this thing. Yummy. Thank you guys for watching. Bye. Okay guys, nag-take out kami ng ice cream cake, cupcakes. So,
Pickles out.
I don't know if it's still good. I don't think it's still good. Not sure what's the, I don't know, where is it?
Excuse me when you're finished.